What is up, everyone? Today we are diving into the details of the Ford Maverick SV300T, which is the loud and rowdy sport truck many of us have been waiting for. This isn't just a simple appearance package, it is a comprehensive performance kit from the new Ford Custom Garage that transforms any 2025 or 2026 all-wheel drive Maverick into a 300 horsepower machine. The heart of this upgrade is a larger turbocharger borrowed from the 2.3-liter Mustang EcoBoost engine, which along with a performance intercooler and a Borla catback exhaust, bumps the output to 300 horsepower and up to 350 pound-feet of torque. That is a significant 50 horsepower jump over the standard 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine. On the outside, the SV300T package adds some serious presence with 20-inch wheels in your choice of bronze or black, lowering springs, thicker stabilizer bars, and upgraded bushings. You also get unique SV300T graphics for the hood and rocker panels, along with a front lower spoiler. When you turn the key, the first thing you'll notice is the deep, throaty snarl from the Borla exhaust that gives the truck a much more aggressive attitude. If you are looking to get one of these, the kit itself is priced at roughly $5,000. Sales are expected to start in the fourth quarter of 2026.